What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And as you can see, we are already recording from the brand new studio in the United States. And oh my god, this was a crazy week. I have minor league hats, I have very special hats, and I have NHL hats. And I would say, without further ado, let's go into this and let's start with Topperzstore in Europe. And boy oh boy, this was a crazy Monday, and I hope the camera can show this because this is like neon. It's much richer when you have it in hand. And this is the Medusas. This dropped live during the stream on Monday, and this was a completely crazy drop. You guys went wild on that with the South Atlantic Division side patch, and look at this crazy thing. I really like how this studio now shows off the hats because this is really next level. And talking about next level, you also have the new minor league Batterman on this as well. This is my third place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. So my second place this week from Topperzstore is a hockey hat, and look at this beautiful thing. I thought it was time to bring back this beautiful Vegas gold, and then you got the golden outline on the New York Rangers logo in the front, a little bit darker blue, and also in the logo. And look at this crazy good side patch, the Winter Classic Citi Field 2018. This is really big, super classic, super nice, and this golden details and this metallic silver details give it a special touch. It looks really nice. And then you got the NHL shield on the back, also with golden accents and a gray UV and black guts. Beautiful hat. This is my second place this week from Topperzstore in Europe. And my first place, of course, I think you guys can already guess it, because I mean, this thing flew. It was absolutely crazy. And look at this crazy thing, the Anaheim Ducks. And look at this ice, this red ice, they pop off like crazy. Then you got this metallic pewter mask, liquid titanium everywhere on this hat, and the Stadium Series side patch, and then also this super shiny NHL shield on the back, gray UV, black guts. This is my first place this week from Topperzstore. So let me know, do you agree with my selection, or do you guys have a different selection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you liked that video so far, please also hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, also hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and you can join the best hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So let's go over to Topperzstore USA. And this was not easy to pick because there were so many great releases this week again. And my third place is this beautiful throwback style Eagles gray UV white guts. Oh my god, I love that old school logo a lot. I really like that. And then look at this crazy side patch, 60th anniversary of the Eagles. This metallic silver and metallic green pops off really good. And then you got the vintage shield flat embroidered on the back. Oh, beautiful red. Absolutely beautiful two-tone. My third place this week from Topperzstore USA. Then this is something new. First time that we did this. The Skull Warrior. Aztec Skull Warrior. Beautiful hat. Look at this front logo. This is crazy with the gold, with this liquid titanium details. Beautiful side patch. A lot of shine in this beauty. And then also on the back, a lot of shiny details. My second place this week, gray UV, black guts, Aztec Skull Warrior. Beautiful hat. Oh my god, I really like that. I probably have to double up on this, but these also went so fast. I would like to thank you guys very much for your support. Now, coming to my first place this week, and this is this dark golden Knights, and it's black with this dark graphite button visor, and then you got liquid titanium in the back with the swords and the outlines. It looks absolutely crazy. All-Star Game side patch with those, and this is what I wanted to try, right? If you put liquid titanium on this one with all these small details, it looks absolutely sparkling. It's crazy. I really like how this came out. And then you also got a super shiny NHL shield on the back. Beautiful hat, the Vegas Golden Knights. So let me know, do you agree with my selection or did you cop something different? And which teams would you like to see next at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA? And remember, tomorrow we are back with another Cap Talk episode 191 and directly from the new studio in the United States. It's always the same time that we start, 7:30 p.m. Central European Time, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I can already tell you, tomorrow we will have a special hat that's dropping during the stream. And give me a second, I will show it off for you. Just have to go over here because it was lying here. So this beautiful hat is dropping tomorrow on both stores, just that you know. But you should tune in tomorrow, Cap Talk episode 191, and then you know first when it's going to be dropped. We will have a lot of updates for you guys tomorrow, what we talked about in the last stream. I hope to see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Bye.